Introducing AI Coach, an incredible learning platform. See how this amazing tool uses AI to help students improve their ability to answer subjective questions by providing advanced evaluation. Once the student completes their answer, the system utilizes AI-based evaluation techniques to provide a comprehensive assessment. Various indicators are evaluated to give the student a detailed understanding of their performance. First, we have contextual understanding. This indicator gauges how well the student comprehended the question and provided relevant insights within the given context. Next, we have knowledge proficiency for the question. This indicator examines the depth of the third indicator is language proficiency. It assesses the student's grasp of language, including grammar, vocabulary, and coherence in presenting their ideas. Lastly, we have structure and presentation proficiency. This indicator evaluates the organization and flow of the student's answer, considering factors such as logical structure, clarity, and effective presentation. Unlock your full potential and elevate your learning experience with this innovative app.